the same boat, heading for different shores, facing each other, grasping at different oars. We're cornered in a stalemate, but the sun is down, it's getting late. I've either gotta turn around or learn how to swim.
Hello, my weather freaks. We haven't talked in a while, but if you were on Discord, we have talked in a while. Or talked recently, my bad. That did make no sense, sorry. How's everybody doing? Yeah, we got some severe weather that's back. Gate values anywhere from 4,000 to 5,000, a little bit more in some areas. So, I'm not using my laptop, but, wait, I think I was messing with my OBS and hey man, I'm on OBS. OBS and we have a relationship that is worthwhile. How is everybody doing today? Today, start out the stream like I do every stream, right? I'm going to say hi to each and every one of you. I will take a few questions at first. Then I'm going to pass it off to a guy that's in training. Okay? Hello, Kaylee. Hello, MBA. Hello, Black. Hello, Jane. Hello, Tyler. Hello, Peoples. Hey, Bobby. I think I said your name before already. Hello, History. Hello, Weather people. Hello, Orange Boy. How's everybody doing today? Yeah, Bobby, yes. Fargo might see some severe weather today. We'll look that over in a few. Hello, Snicker. Hello, JC. Hello, Keith. A good chunk of, as you can see on here, a good chunk of North Dakota will see severe weather of some sort. If it's hail, if it's damaging winds, if it's possibly a tornado. Hey, the end of age. Hello, Dougie. Hello, Lust. Hello, everybody. If you just tuned in, you didn't miss much. I'm just saying hello to everybody. Hello, Tyler. Just tuned in, hit that like button. If you're new to this stream, hit that like or hit that subscribe button. Let us know in chat that you're new to the stream and you just tuned in, and we'd be glad to welcome you into the weather lovers community, because that's what we are. I'm gonna go over to, let's see, I'm gonna go here. We're gonna set up the redo a few things, okay? How is everybody doing? Did everybody enjoy their holiday? Was everybody good? I don't know what happened to my OBS, but whatever happened, happened. Me. So, severe weather today is in, mainly, the enhanced risk is in a good chunk of eastern North Dakota, western Minnesota, northwestern Minnesota. This involves Bismarck, North Dakota, Grand Forks, Mandan, Jamestown, and Devil's Lake. Tornado risk is a 5% risk in Bismarck, Mandan, and Devil's Lake, North Dakota. 2% risk in Billings, Montana, Fargo, North Dakota, Grand Forks, North Dakota, Grand Island, Nebraska, and Minot, North Dakota. Does not mean you're getting a tornado. Wind, 30% in Bismarck, North Dakota, Grand Forks, Mandan, Jamestown, and Devil's Lake. Go a little bit south, you'll Billings, Fargo, North Dakota, Grand Island, Nebraska, Moorhead, Minnesota, and Kearney, Nebraska. And then hail, there's a little spot here that's in the 30, significant, severe, Bismarck, Mandan, and Devil's Lake. So yeah, the Storm Prediction Center, this is actually just recent. The slight risk of severe thunderstorm was okay. There's an enhanced risk of severe thunderstorm across central and eastern North Dakota into northwest Minnesota. Scattered severe thunderstorms are expected across portions of the northern and central Great Plains through late evening. Damaging wind gusts and hail will be the main threat through a tornado. Though a tornado or two cannot be ruled out, mainly across North Dakota. The 20Z update, Northern Plains vicinity. Overall forecast philosophy remains similar to the previous outlook. The enhanced risk area over North Dakota and Minnesota has been adjusted, reoriented along currently surface boundary and a line of convection stretching from southwest to northeast across North Dakota. The area was also expanded southward along the Red River Valley to include more of the southeast North Dakota and adjacent northwest Minnesota. Vigorous convection continued to develop along and just ahead of the surface boundary in an environment of increasing effective shear and MLK greater than 3,500 joules per kilogram per 19Z. Mesoanalysis, individual cells will lift northeast, but the line as whole will shift east-southeast into a back southeasterly low level flow and atop the upper ridge over the upper Midwest. And damaging winds will be primary primary threat into late evening. If any discrete cells develop along or ahead of the line, a very large hail threat also exists. With back surface winds and mean mixing ratio values around 14. A tornado could also accompany a discrete cell. Through this threat is rather conditional. The previous outlook is on track. No other changes have been made. But the enhanced risk is kind of moved over a little bit. So, we're going to switch over to WSV3. The lovely WSV3. So, we have a spot here just south of Drake, North Dakota, west of Harvey. The cell, these main cells, they started down here near, in between Dickinson and Bismarck. They became basically a line moving all the way up to the Canadian border. It's shifting, that's moving north-northeast. The lift is going to pull it out, and the storms are start moving southeast. So it will move into Grafton, Grand Forks, Devil's Lake, McVille, Carrington, Jamestown. Between Grand Forks, McVille, Carrington, between the hours of about 8 to 10. Mayville will see it between probably 10 and midnight, as well as Fargo will see it within the 10 to 2, maybe 11 to 1 a.m., including Lisbon, Edgeley, Ellendale, Lidger, Wood, Fergus Falls, Detroit Lakes, Ada. We'll probably see it anywhere after midnight, the way it's going right now. We can look at the HRRR model. This is at 6 p.m. We'll move it back to 3 p.m. This is the model. This is not what's happening. But the model shows that it's going to be the northerly is going to push off into the Canada area, and then that line is going to develop. Looks like there's been a tornado that's reported by law enforcement in McCluskey County. We'll look at that in a second. So this line is going to develop. It's going to push its way over to the Devil's Lake region, all the way down to Bismarck around 7 p.m. That 8 mark, I said, Grand Forks between 8 and 10. Grand Forks, Carrington, Jamestown, we'll see it between that 8 to 10. 10 p.m. should be already past the entering the Grand Forks area between 9 and 10. 9:30, around there. 10 o'clock, should be entering into the Fargo area. Looks like probably right around midnight. We'll be entering into the Fargo area. There'll be a little segment that doesn't push all the way down. As of this model, looks like there'll probably be a gust front, so you probably get a lot of wind down into the Ellendale, Lisbon area. And then this will kind of like bow out and shoot its way down, as according to this model. Then there'll be another set of storms in early morning, late evening. So the North Dakota area is expected to get a lot of rain. Like, I'm talking anywhere from 1 to 3 inches. Locally, some areas could get probably up to 4 to 5 inches. We look at total precipitation, and we could already see, this is at 3 a.m., we can see 3 inches up here north of Devil's Lake. Near Mayville, 5 inches. Near Linton, North Dakota. According to the HRRR, you can see set up to 7 inches. So yeah, it's gonna be a wet evening. So if you're driving down a road and you see a flooded area, don't drive into it. Trust me. You're driving into a road that is flooded. 1, it could be washed out. 2, you don't know what's under the road. There could be a log just chilling there. But a number 1 is the road could be washed out, and you drive over a flooded roadway. It could wash you with the road. So you don't want that to end up. That's a scary situation. So we're gonna talk about. Should I look at the NAM? I'll look at the NAM. I want us to see briefly. So this is 4, 5, 6 kind of cell up here. So if there's a discrete cell that's over Lakota area, I might go out and chase. Really kind of waiting to see, because as you can see, it's already making a line from Dickinson all the way up to Candu up here. But according to the NAM 3K, there's going to be 9. This one really is showing that it's going to bust out up here on the north end. But it's going to push its way down. And if that happens, you're going to have a line that goes all the way up into Canada, up into the Ontario area, the eastern Ontario. There's fires up here in the eastern Manitoba, western Ontario. North Dakota, it dealt with, the past couple days, has dealt with since we had a northeast wind, has dealt with a lot of smoke. I know Fargo struggled a couple days ago. Grand Forks struggled yesterday. Just I can't even imagine what's going on, like how the air is up in Ontario. It's I guarantee it's probably rough. So this is NAM 10 p.m. entering into the Grand Forks area. It's already pushing 11 p.m. Midnight. It's pushing into Fargo. So if you're in the Fargo area, there's a few viewers that are in the Fargo area. Midnights, if you're still awake, you're going to have thunderstorms. Not necessarily a tornado. Very, very low chance. You most likely will get damaging winds and excessive rainfall. Not much than that. You might get some hail if you get a discrete cell, but it's going to be during the overnight hours. So good. Let's go back here. Okay, we're gonna let this load up. I'm gonna look into what that report was. I'm assuming that was out of Bismarck. Law enforcement 7 miles east of Kruger Lake, Sheridan County, North Dakota. Law enforcement's reported at 2:46 Central Daylight Time. Tornado observed by law enforcement. Reports relayed by North Dakota State Radio. Location estimate based on radar. So I'm sure National Weather Service has spoke to them and seen what's going on. The tornado warning has expired. But you see that area. Tornado is at. So right now I am gonna go make myself something to eat. We might have a long night. So I'm gonna kind of get prepared. If you just tuned in, make sure you like this. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Let us know that you're new. Because I enjoy seeing new people in my channel. I honestly do enjoy seeing new people. I think I'm gonna go. I think I'm gonna go get my laptop and pull it up so I can see chat. This is in North Dakota. I'll zoom out a little bit. This is in North Dakota. But I'm gonna have. I think he's here. He is not here. Why is he not here? Bob? Or Bill? Bill, it doesn't say you're here. You're not in the chat. Or you're in the chat, but you're not in waiting to be on, not waiting to be on stream. Streaming private. Okay. Bill, are you there? Bill.
I'm here.
Yo,
Here.
why'd you leave? What happened?
It kicked me out.
It kicked you out.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, can everybody hear Bill? This is Bill Georgia, KFFC. He's in the chat. This is Bill, Georgia, KFFC.
All right.
So this is gonna be a long stream. So I'm gonna get a couple bottles of water. If I do plan on chasing, I'm gonna. I don't know what I'm gonna do.
You go Uber chase?
No. You know how expensive that would be?
But could you see the Uber driver say, "Why we need a car? Why you need me? Oh, we're chasing tornadoes."
Yeah. So we're over the storm
Sure.
near Washburn.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go throw something in the oven, and so I will be right back.
And I'm all right. He's on the storm in Washburn, North Dakota. I'm looking at several radars here. I'm also looking at the tornado warning in Hastings, Nebraska. Um, you can leave yours out there if you want to. I just talked to him about it. I'm pulling up the NROT right now on GR level 2 since I got 2 more days of it. Well, 1 more day. Um, there's a defined rotation inside of that storm. I don't think there's been any. I don't see any recent updates except for it's still saying radar indicated at this time. Um, the rotation, I'm looking at it, is in the around the middle of the storm on this update. I'm looking at storm relative view and see it there. All right, I'm gonna go to the Hastings where he's at, Nebraska. There's a flash flood warning for that area now with this storm. It is a flash flood warning for central McLean County in south central North Dakota, western Oliver County in south central North Dakota, and central Mercer County in North Dakota until 5:30 Central Standard Time. The operating radar indicator is producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 3 inches of rain here have already fallen based on radar estimated rainfalls. So flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. But that storm that was tornado warned is now severe thunderstorm warned. Pull up my reflect base velocity on it. It still may have some small rotation in it. I'm not getting any MCS at this time indicating any rotation. Let me go to GR level 2, GR level 3. GR level 3 is actually showing a storm over in Wyoming. Let me go flop over here. Sorry, people. I've got like three different radars going right now. There we go. But the storm in Wyoming I was on, it's actually got an MCS on it. On GR level 3. The MCS is at those indications at 2591, 2591. Lower level rated velocity is 15 knots. The base is 8,000 feet. The depth is 13,000 feet. This is on GR level 3. I can't pull up any NROD on that storm. Like I said, I've got everything going here, trying to keep y'all weather aware on this side. And I'm going to pull up the NROD on this Franklin, North Dakota, Nebraska tornado. I'm looking at it right now and still see a good defined rotation in it. It is trying to spread out more. But it is still there. That's why it's still tornado warned. Then I'll go up here to the Nebraska, North Dakota storm. There we go. We had an earlier tornado warning, and it was observed. Look at the backstorm of Washburn. See if I see any kind of. Don't see any rotation. I see a very, very broad area of rotation this time on base velocity and storm view. But it's so broad right now, it's hard to tell if it's going to tighten up or not. And I'm watching the chat. Also, like I said, I got one computer on the chat and another one on radars. So I'm multitasking here. But I'm going to let y'all know what we're going to start doing on Discord. We're going me, High Sneaky, and Bob, and maybe James will start on nights that we're not live. We're going to start getting in Discord on general chat. And we're going to be pulling up our radars, explaining the radars, telling everybody what's going on this, and let them know what we see and how we look at radars to determine what's possibly going to be going on. So definitely, if you want to join Discord, come in there and we'll talk. If you don't have a mic, you can listen, and we'll give you a heads up what's going on. You can message us what area you want us to look at, and we'll look at it for you. Because there'll be 2 or 3 of us in there at this time. All right, looks like they just extended the tornado warning for Nebraska. It's still radar indicated. A new tornado warning remains in effect until 3:30 Central Standard Time for southwestern Franklin County in Nebraska. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Bloomington, or 26 miles northeast of Phillipsburg, moving at 10 miles an hour. The initial hazard is as a tornado. It is radar indicated rotation. With all tornado thunderstorms, there'll be flying debris. If you are called outside, seek shelter. Mobile homes may be destroyed. Damage for roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. So, like I said, take cover now if you're in this area. It does have up to 3/4 inch size hail with this tornado warning there in Franklin, Nebraska. And I'm going to pull it up. On the Wyoming storm that was earlier tornado warning, they've extended that severe thunderstorm warning. Severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Bighorn County in central Wyoming, eastern Central Park County in central Wyoming at 3:15 until 3:15 Mountain Standard Time. The MCS is going off that storm at this time. I was looking at. I see what James is at. He's in. Like I said, I'm watching. Not only I'm watching the chat on one laptop, I'm watching radars on the other one. So we got this going. And I'm gonna see what I see here. This pull the base velocity. There's still some possible rotation in the back of this storm. It's just not picking up on a high enough rotation for the radars to do an MCS scale meso detection from that severe thunderstorm. I'm gonna go back to this tornado warning. Looking. I'm trying to keep up with everything. I'm gonna look at the NROT on this tornado warning, Nebraska. Did he get canceled? All right, they just canceled the tornado warning for Nebraska, so they let it expire. But if you are in that area around Franklin, Upland, possibly Blue Hill, Holdridge, they just popped it back up. And as I speak, they canceled it, then they reinstated the tornado warning. Funny how they do that. They don't see it, then they see it. So here we go with a new tornado warning for Nebraska. The National Weather Service out of Hastings, Nebraska, has issued a tornado warning for central Franklin County and south central Nebraska until 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 3:30, a thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Bloomington, or 28 miles northeast of Phillipsburg, moving at 15 miles an hour. This is radar indicated this time. This dangerous storm will be near Franklin around 3:40 p.m. Central Standard Time. So, like I said, if you're in that area, this storm has been radar indicated. There's no sighting at this moment, but that doesn't mean it's not producing a tornado. And I'm gonna pull up the NROD on my side. I wish I could show y'all the 3D images of this. There is half inch up to 3/4 inch hail at this time in this area. When I'm looking at NROD, it's not well defined. It's kind of like a cluster of rotation. So I'm guessing it may be a rotating wall cloud in there. And this wall cloud, Doug, I'll tell you just 1 second. This wall cloud could be rotating and could be spinning, and it's not producing enough energy at this time to actually drop the tornado or a funnel cloud. So that's why it's radar indicated at this time. And if it does go confirmed, I will let you know. Like I said, it's almost up to 3/4 inch hail in this storm. Okay, Doug, you want let me look at chat real quick. What Dougie said that. All right, moving north. Yes, it is moving at an north at this time. I will give you a storm track on it. It's moving north towards Minden. It'd be an upland at 5:30, 5:31 p.m. 4:31 p.m. It should have been in Upland. So it is moving in a north to northeast direction. I'll get a storm track here. Give you all the areas. Okay. According to WSV3, we're looking at Franklin at 4:35 p.m., Hildreth at 4:54 p.m., Upland at 4:57 p.m. At 5:12 p.m., it's going to be in Minden, 5:16 p.m. in Norman, and 5:24 p.m. in Hartwell. So if you live in those areas, be weather aware. Like I said, that's the track of it right now. It's still radar indicated, so it's not been confirmed yet. Then I'm gonna look at Nebraska, see what we got. North Dakota on my end. I see a lot of the squall line. Line moving into Harvey, Butte, Goodrich, and it's moving at northeast. It's and the severe thunderstorms producing 1 inch hail. The storm around Harvey is producing 1 1/4 inch size hail, and also 3/4 inch hail. So I'm go back down here to this tornado warning. See if there's been any updates on it. If you're in this area, take cover because we don't know what's happening. We don't know if it's actually trying to produce a dropping funnel cloud or just rotating wall cloud, but they do see rotation. I'm gonna look at the NROT on this storm again, see if it's gotten better. In it, on the 3D NROT, it's got more defined rotation at this time in areas. It's showing about height about 40,000 feet. The low level maybe about 7,000 or 8,000 feet at this time on this storm. And NROT is the actual rotation it picks up. So I'm looking at it and trying to find out if it's actually touching the ground. And right now it's still kind of high up in the storm. It has not made its way to the ground yet. Let's see what it says on W3. I'm gonna look at the reflectivity, and then I'll look at different tilts. If you got radar scope, you can go through the different tilts of the storms to see basically you get a 3D image in a sense of it, but not really able to see the 3D parts of the storm. But you can look at the different tilt of the storm if you have radar scope on your phone or tablet. I'm glad James gave me time to get a Dr. Pepper. All right. See if there's any new updates. See if there's any new tornado warnings or anything. We still just got this one tornado warning there in Nebraska. Hey, Justin. Sorry, guys. I'm trying to watch weather and chat. So I hope everybody's having a good day today. It's kind of hot and muggy here in Georgia. We're hoping to get some rain this week. We need it. But we did have some rain earlier this week. And I was actually going to try to get out and follow a storm, but it outran me. And I had the dog with me and talking to James and Bob and Sneaky on the phone. We're trying to see if it was working, and it wasn't working. The storm was outrunning me. Still a tornado radar indicated here. Like I said, it's still 3/4 inch hail. I'm gonna look at NROT, see what I see. See any type of rotation on there. And it's still, like I said, it's less defined on this view on there, so it may be possibly weakening. Don't know. It may be doing what we call recycling. That's basically the storm loses strength, but then it picks it up and finds that strength in the atmosphere and starts building again. Said they new scan. The hail is about 1/2 inch size now on the storm, according to WFC3. GR2 and GR3. I'm looking up here in North Dakota right now. Storm about to move in. Severe thunderstorm warning about to move into Langdon and Munich. Go ahead and give you an update on this. Severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Towner County in northeastern North Dakota, southwestern Cavalier County in northeastern North Dakota, north central Ramsey County in northeastern North Dakota until 4:15 Central Standard Time. It's moving at severe thunderstorm located near Eglin or 33 miles north of Devil's Lake, moving northeast at 15 miles an hour. 60-mile-an-hour wind gust and quarter-size hail. And it says hail damage to vehicles expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations include Cando, Munich, Alson, Eglin, and Calliope. Hope I said those right for you people in North Dakota. I'm Southern, so I don't know. Um, I'm gonna recheck this tornado warning down here in if there's any updates on it. No new updates on this tornado warning. They have not extended it and they have not confirmed it at this time. Like I said, I'm watching it. We'll go down. Y'all hear silence a little bit. It's because I'm changing radars. Look at the rotation here. The rotation is very weak on this storm, so I expect this tornado warning not to be possibly not going to be extended. Looking at it, it is actually falling apart. So hopefully they'll let it expire. And it expires in 20 minutes. It will expire. So for James. Okay. I'm having to make sure I match my screen to his. That way I know where we're at. Can you guys still hear me? If you can hear me, let me know. Okay. Thank you, Kaylee. I appreciate that. I'm going to look at this storm and this storm Ricardo, I'll give you a track on it real quick. If WC3 will be. WC3 is not going to work on this track. And the storm Ricardo is moving to the northeast at 15 mile an hour. And wind gust is up to 60 mile an hour in this storm. 1 inch hail. And this expires at 4:15 Central Standard Time. The thunderstorm warning in Washburn has 1.5 inch hail, wind at speeds at 60 mile an hour. And it's moving at 25 mile an hour, moving east at 25 miles an hour. Check this. I'm seeing a small area of rotation in it popped up that is still very broad, very small area in the back of the storm, but it is still trying to rotate. Like I said, it's building, maybe cycling again. I'm looking on my storm relative where it's showing a weak rotation. So it's trying to produce again back here. So it's cycling on that tornado warning. And I'm checking all my radar to make sure it's all lines up to what's going on, what I see. Yeah, in the back of the storm, this tornado warning in Upland, in Nebraska, there's a new area of rotation showing up on radar. So it's trying to gain strength again. It's a low base rotation at this time, low to mid base. So it is trying to start rotating again. Like I said, if y'all hear my dog, she's whining in the background. She wants to play. I don't see any updates on these storms that are moving. Like I said, they're getting the tracks on them. There's a storm coming into Hebron, North Dakota, that it's not warned at this time, but it is producing 1.5 inch hail. So if you're in Hebron, east of New Salem, it's about to cross Interstate 94. Wait, already crossed Interstate 94. Heading in the center, North Dakota. Kind of stay weather aware. That might get severe thunderstorm warning in a minute because of the hail size and possibly the wind gust also. And then if you're over in Goodrich, North Dakota, you got a line coming in towards you right now that's just northwest of Wing. It's into Goodrich. And it's also producing less than 1/2 inch hail, but as the day moves on, we don't know if they may start producing, get more severe. The tornado, if there's any updates on that tornado warning. The rotation looks like it's getting smaller again on the storm. It has moved past Franklin, going to the radar, but heading into Upland. So if you're in Upland, stay weather aware. It's heading towards you at this time. And I'm going to look at GR2, see if I can see what the rotation looks like on this tornado warning. Yeah, looking at the GR2, the NROT, it has tightened up a little bit more on this tornado warning. So it is getting bigger, more well defined. So if you're in that area, please stay weather aware and seek shelter, because you do have a possible tornado that could drop at any moment. I can see the rotation through. Let me go over here. The rotation is all the way through 3 levels at this moment. Look at the base velocity, 3 tilts, and also on storm view, storm relative velocity. It's showing through at least 3 tilts also in that one. So it is rotating. So you do need to stay weather aware there. This storm is recycling. Like I said, they do this, they lose a little bit of strength, then they get the strength back. The rotation I'm seeing is about 5,000 feet up to 32,000 feet on this storm. So it's getting its strength, and just be aware it's tightening up at this moment. I wish I could show you a picture of it, but I can't. We'll go back to North Dakota where James is. Well, and, yeah, they say if you're in this tornado warning, be weather aware. It could still be trying to cycle through and get stronger on us. All right. Appears we got a new severe thunderstorm warning in North Dakota, right where I said it was. Like I said, it was near Hebron. They have now issued a severe thunderstorm warning out of Bismarck, North Dakota at 3:47 Central Standard Time. Um, the severe thunderstorm warning for north central Morton County in south central North Dakota, western Oliver County in south central North Dakota, and southeastern Mercer County in south central North Dakota until 4:30 Central Standard Time. At 3:46 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 12 miles north of Glen Ullin, moving northeast at 30 miles an hour. Hazard includes ping pong sized hail and 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts. Impact would be people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roof siding. This tornado will be near Hanover around 4:20 Central Standard Time. Um, Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Um, Lightning is one of the nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Um, the other day, someone was struck by lightning. I forgot where it was at, but don't stand underneath the tree. Um, get somewhere indoors where you are safe. But like I said, I let y'all know earlier that was probably going to get severe thunderstorm warning because of the hail and the high winds. And there they went ahead and done that. The tornado warning has been lifted in Franklin, in Nebraska. So they didn't even put the severe thunderstorm warning on it. So we'll go up here to. So I got all my radars now on this one storm here in North Dakota.
I'm back.
All right, you back?
Yeah, back. Let me
All right.
check my. Can everybody hear me?
Did you get something good to eat?
Yeah, I just made a pizza up.
Ah, this sounds good. I'm gonna go get a frosty in a little bit.
Well, I would do it probably within the next. Because I might have you. Can everybody hear me?
Yes, Jane said she could hear you, James.
Okay. Sounds good.
All right.
There's a little bit of rotation here near the Turtle Lake area. Um, I I don't see definites enough to excuse me. Getting looking at the National Weather Service chat a little bit. Um, excuse me. So, as we're looking today, I was gonna pull up. This is gonna be something we use today. Hopefully, we can get some good lightning out of it. Maybe the shelf cloud coming in. Something to invite all your friends. I had pizza, and you know how you get that. You know how you get that taste in your mouth, your back of your throat. I need to turn off the alerts for the National Weather Service chat. I'm gonna go crazy. Okay, I know you're beeping. So they... okay, calm down. Let me turn off your... Okay. Significant weather advisory for that Fremont County. That's in the... that was in the... Oh, that's for Riverton. I thought that was for... This is for Wyoming. Strong thunderstorms near Bull Lake around 3 p.m. Diversion Dam, rest area, 310. Fort Wasca, 320. Lander, Milford, 325. Let me look at something real quick. Let me go. So the storm up near Candu. This storm is bringing 1-inch diameter hail at 60-mile-per-hour winds. That's moving northeast at 21 miles per hour. Severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect till 4:15. 15 more minutes. Southeastern Towner, southwestern Cavalier, north central Ramsey County. 3:46, about 10 minutes ago, severe thunderstorm was located near Eglin at 31 miles north of Devil's Lake, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. So this is moving towards Canadian border. As you can see, these storms are kind of becoming a line. Well, they've kind of already became a line. Some of them are coming in front of, and I'm keeping an eye on that. Some of them are coming in front of the original line that was kind of being made. So if these storms come on front of them, they can become discrete cells and come off of the original original. So here in Towner, that's a it's a cell that I would watch. But I don't plan on traveling. By the time I get there, it's gonna be already near Lakota probably. So if I would go storm chase tonight, you'd get a live chase. Um, it wouldn't be like the whole chase, but I would probably go to this area and I would just chill out there. If it becomes linear, it becomes a line. You and I are just gonna sit here and watch it on this. Because there's no real reason to go out and waste gas to something that's we're about maybe 50 feet, 75 feet up, maybe a little higher than that. Um, when we can see it on here. Tyler, delete that message. We don't talk about other streamers in my chat. Yeah, I did, Bobby. I did hear about that tornado in Canada. Central North Dakota. Um, so we have several storms that are in central North Dakota. What's your storm that you think is hooking? Yeah. So basically, if you don't know what a um, linear storm, it's easier said. Just um, basically, it's a squall line. A linear storm is basically refers to orientation and shape of the storm. So the linear means that the common linear shape is a line, right? Such as a multi-cell cluster. So in the line, there's a multi-cell, excuse me, multi-cell cluster in that line of supercells that basically make a squall line. And the squall line has either it's behind a front or it's near. It's a squall line is basically a line that has damaging winds, um, possibly large hail, mostly damaging winds and excessive rainfall. So when a line, when say the south storm, so say this storm right here near Harvey and between Washburn connects to the Can-Do storm, it becomes a squall line because it connects all supercells. It's a multi-supercell, but it's still the threat for tornadoes get lowered um, when it becomes a squall line. Now this storm is moving east at 25 miles per hour. Severe thunderstorm warning for northern Wells County in south central North Dakota, south central Pierce County in north central North Dakota at until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time. 4:04 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Harvey, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard is 60 mile per hour wind gust and half dollar size hail. So 1.25 inch hail and up to 60 mile per hour wind gusts. So if you're in North Dakota, I will read off the severe thunderstorm watch. The National Weather Service at Storm Prediction Center has issued a severe thunderstorm watch for portions of North Dakota. Effective this Monday, currently, until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Primary threat is scattered large hail, isolated very large hail events to 3 inches in diameter likely. Scattered damaging winds, likely with isolated significant gusts to 80 miles per hour. There's a tornado or two possible. The summary is thunderstorms are initiated across central North Dakota and should develop spread northeast across northeast North Dakota, as well potentially develop into a southwest North Dakota. This should result in a broad cluster or a linear MCS with large hail. Severe wind gusts is the primary hazard. Severe thunderstorm watch area is approximately along in 96 statute miles east and west of the line from 35 miles east of Lemon, South Dakota to 60 miles northwest of Devil's Lake, North Dakota. Remember, severe thunderstorm watch means conditions are favorable for severe thunderstorms in and close to the watch area. Person in these areas should be on the lookout for threatening weather conditions and listening for late statements, possible warnings. Severe thunderstorms can and occasionally do produce tornadoes. So the probability table, probability of 2 or more tornadoes is at 20%. Probability of 1 or more strong EF2 to EF5 tornadoes is 10%. Probability of 10 or more severe wind events is 60%. Probability of 1 or more wind events into 65 knots is 40%. Probability of 10 or more severe hail events, 60%. Probability of 1 or more hail events that's greater than 2 inches, or less than 2 inches, my bad, 60%. Probability of 6 or more combined severe hail wind events, 95%. Max hail they're predicting is 3 inches. Max wind gust surface knots, 70. Max tops is 500 in feet. The mean storm motion vector degree in knots is 24,025. Do they expect these storms to become a particularly dangerous situation? No. So in these counties, so any of these areas have severe thunderstorm possibilities. And as this storm is now moving east, Carrington, Devil's Lake, Mayville, Jamestown, we'll start to see some storms developing or moving into the area. Still have that severe thunderstorm watch in the southeast Montana and north central to northeast Wyoming. We have a couple warnings in Idaho, Salt Lake, or Utah, Colorado, Nebraska. There's that tropical development. We won't speak of that. We won't talk about that because focused on the severe weather in North Dakota and really into mostly North Dakota because that's where the enhanced risk is. The enhanced risk was down there, we would focus on that. But the enhanced risk is in North Dakota. Thank you. So let me go check National Weather Service chat. Good chunk of the day on Tuesday. We'll see rain in here's the storms. So you had a few spin ups in the atmosphere. So if you just tuned in, make sure you hit that like button. If you're new to this stream, hit that subscribe button, bell notification. There is a PayPal link for anyone to send me money. It's the help money I right now I am currently working on getting newer things. And if you send me a donation and you write in the thing if you want me to get specific things, I'll get that specific thing. If you want me to get something, just put that in your PayPal note, and we'll get that worked out. As well, I am going to make an Amazon wish list. So I will put that wish list in when I get it all finished. And a lot of the stuff that's going to be on the Amazon wish list is going to be stuff for live streaming out in the, like if I'm going to go hiking or go to places that are abandoned or go to a ghost town. So, we're gonna take a brief break. I'm gonna zoom out.
jazz around like an ocean in my head. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are
Yo, Bill. Yeah, did you realize you were making like tons of noise?
No, I didn't. I thought I had it on mute. I
No.
just looked at it.
Yeah, you I was enjoying my peaceful music. So what am I doing? Oh yeah, I'm gonna look at when was that issued?
It was just issued. A train spotter, I, a train spotter reported a brief tornado touchdown 5 miles west northwest of Starkweather in Towner County, North Dakota. 2106Z, which that was at
406.
4:07 your time, 4:06 your time.
Yeah. Oh, so lovely. So the tornado warning. They're in a flash flood watch, severe thunderstorm warning, and tornado warning. What a day for them, eh? So at 4:22, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Kaleo, 29 miles north of Devil's Lake. Tornado and quarter size. Hampton and Olson is the towns that are. So there we have that. Do you just come back in here, Bill? So we have two tornado reports that's out of North Dakota. Let me due east. Why are you on mute? Is it in the enhanced risk? Wyoming. Was it not? Is it not confirmed? No. Uh, Bill, nobody could hear you. I accidentally had you on mute.
Okay.
My bad. If you
That's
wanna,
all right.
if you wanna repeat yourself, you can. My bad. Look in chat and people were like, "Dude, we can't even hear Bill."
Find it again.
So there's a tornadic storm.
I got it here.
There's a tornadic storm just straight um, southeast or southwest of Devil's Lake. Um,
Yeah.
so I'm gonna keep an eye on that one.
All right. I'm gonna give you the update on this. Since I'm not muted.
Okay.
There's a National Weather Service out of Riverton, Wyoming, has issued a tornado warning for north central Hot Springs County in central Wyoming, northwestern Washakie County in central Wyoming until 4 p.m. Standard Time. At 3:28, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 10 miles north of Legend Rock State Petroglyph Site, which is 17 miles southeast of Metis, moving northeast at 25 miles an hour. This is radar indicated. Um, According to the National Weather Service, this tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of north central Hot Springs and northwestern Shaky counties, including the following locations: Badlands Overlook and Grass Creek. And it does have 2-inch hail in it this time. And the rotation is getting a little bit more stronger on it also. I'm actually picking up a rotation signature on storm relative and base velocity. I see that storm you talk about now, a tornado possible there near Devil's Lake.
Um,
The short of mild meso discussion text here. Klusky also around Goodrich, North Dakota.
So did you guys see
Can do.
this picture? This was in Jefferson.
I don't see a picture.
One sec, I'll show you. That was in May or whenever that tornado hit Jefferson.
Yeah, there it is.
So if you're in Olson, you have a tornado warning. A tornadic supercell is headed your way. Olson, North Dakota. I need to look at the models real quick, and then I'll make my decision. If I'm gonna go storm chasing. You there?
Yeah, I'm here.
Uh,
I'm working on Discord real quick.
so speaking of Discord,
Go ahead.
come on over to type exclamation mark Discord and come on over. We have fun games. We do fun stuff. Check us out.
Yeah, we have weather person of the day. We have um, animal
And
lover of the week.
and we did a money giveaway.
Yes, Hi Sneaky sponsored a giveaway for 2 gift cards, one Apple and one Google Play gift card yesterday. $15 each for those, which is pretty cool. Um, so we do a lot of giveaways. We have a lot of fun. Um, we enjoy what we're doing in there, and we love for y'all to come join us. So yeah, definitely come
There's
join
not
us.
much going on the Fargo Skycam.
Uh, I'm looking at the Storm Prediction Center. I'm looking at their tornado reports for today. Um, East Kruger Lake um, in Sheridan, North Dakota, a tornado was observed by law enforcement and report relayed by North Dakota State Radio. And then 5 miles west northwest of Starkweather in Towner County, North Dakota, a train spotter reported a brief tornado touchdown.
Yep.
So that's what we got right now. We got some hail reports uh, there in North Dakota, 1 inch and 1.5 inch um, hail size. So these storms are producing hail. Um, don't have do have a wind report. I mean a wind report out of North Nebraska, but
We have a TVS of a
that's
5 south of Herdsfield
okay.
and a TVS of a 7 near Goodrich.
Yes, I see that. That's what I was talking about earlier. I saw that
So
mezzo.
I got a story here. So my first tornado was in central North Dakota, right? My second tornado, my second tornado was in right about here. Okay. The biggest tornado that I have seen was down in South Dakota. But my latest tornado would have probably been near Carrington. That's this is going to be going into soon. So if you come into the Discord, uh, I use I use several different. I have DSLR. If I lived in every Jamestown, there's tons of Jamestowns. Let's see if that TVS is still there. Both of them are. And a gust front. Uh, yeah, Jamestown's all over. So this should start shifting. I don't know if my Epic pen will pick up on. Let's see. Yeah. Okay, this should start shifting to the. So now it's moving kind of east. I suck at drawing. Good thing I'm not an artist, right? But this is gonna kind of shift down. So we'll play it. This was back here. This was going straight northeast. Now it's kind of tucked in and it's going more like this now. So it hasn't started moving straight east, but it's not going as deep. It was going this. Now it's going that way. And it's building up down here. And then these storms that are coming out of push this way. And it should start to curve this way. And these storms will continue to move this way. But these should be pushed down. Yeah, they're pretty strong storms. Yeah, I'm a terrible drawer. I was not called to be a drawer. So this is really moving slow. This one's moving a little faster. So we got that's how it's shifted right now. So basically how it's shifted. That's this is straightening out down here. Let's check this out first. We can do, this is a straight 60. Oh, this is saying it's moving straight north. No, this technically, oh, let me see the shape of this. It's building up. Be a perfect spot to sit right here. We'll sit right here. Take pictures. And then drive this way to Lakota. Take more pictures. And then you drive up to Fordville. You take more pictures. But when you're in Fordville, these storms are going to start moving this way. So this is an all build up. Kind of figured this was going to get warned. It's popping some hail. Not big, but big enough for my comfort.
Yeah, it says inch and a half hail and 60-mile-an-hour wind gust in it. It's moving at the northeast at 31 miles per hour right now.
Mm-hmm. So if these are moving, let's just say all of them are moving this way, right? Bismarck storm just warned. So all the storms are moving like this. You see the Bismarck storms warned?
Yeah, I see this warning. I'm checking this tornado warning down in Wyoming real quick. See what it says.
So if you're in Skyston, North Dakota, you have a storm that is capable or had excuse me, has a warning on it, a severe thunderstorm warning on it of tornado possible. It's not tornado warned yet. Um, let's see. I'll tell you if there's even. Yeah, there's rotation. Oh yeah.
There's some rotation on this tornado warning down here in Wyoming, but it's a very broad area of rotation right now.
So I bet you could probably
Yes,
see this on. This storm. Yeah, right there.
yeah, they just canceled a tornado warning in Wyoming.
Yeah, it was
It,
nothing.
yeah,
One near Bismarck might get.
I'm gonna let GR2 catch up right now. Which one are you saying to look for rotation? In three.
Um, well, if you want, you can look at the one that just got warned in Bowdoin, just west of Carrington.
Yeah, I see it right now. I see the rotation. Oh, 3D.
So yeah, that's another thing. The money's gonna go towards. Um, so thank you, Ashley. Oh, I thought you said James. Huh. Well, I thank you, Ashley. Oh, wait. So I need to purchase GR2. So I'll pull it up so my weather family can see.
Yeah, my trial runs out tomorrow on GR2. I think I'm looking at the rotation on this storm you want me to look at, and it's the last scan is getting a little bit tighter in a 3D aspect. Um, so it may possibly get warned. So if you're in that area, Carrington, I would get weather aware, watch the storms, listen for tornado sirens, because it may become tornado warned very soon.
So this is my my next purchase is going towards um this is my next purchase, $250. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna start doing this. Um, I just came up with an idea, and you can tell me if it's good or not. We're all weather lovers. We all part of a team. Um, do you think if I so like say somebody donates, say a group of people donate to GR2, I put radar programs I use GR2. Thank you to so and so. Does that sound cheesy? What do you guys think?
That's not cheesy at all. That's just letting everybody know that you really appreciate them donating to you and everything. And the equipment we use here is here to save lives. Not only on live stream, but also in our Discord. We get in there at night and we start watching these storms and updating people, like our weather alert team. We send out messages, let them know, hey, you got a pretty severe storm coming your way. You might want to stay weather aware. And we attach a radar picture with it. This to let them know, hey, we're caring about you. We're watching you because we love all our weather lovers.
JC, you just donated $20. Yeah, I got that. That already went to the data. When I get Streamlabs OBS, I'm gonna have I'm going to have uh, a section just for my donators. So that's going to be fun.
Yeah, like, we have a lot of fun on Discord, joking around. So if you don't have it, Discord is free, um, and I'll get James to put the link up, or it should pop up in a minute. But it's fun to get in there and talk, chat. We don't just talk about weather; we talk about other things. Like James said, we do the giveaway. Matter of fact, I gotta go find out who's gonna be our weather person of the day in a minute. Do that giveaway. So if you're on our Discord, about 15 minutes, I'm gonna do the giveaway.
True, yeah. Do it live on air.
Yeah, I am. I'm gonna announce on the air who won it. Um, the two people that won the gift cards yesterday was Compact and Bo Tornado. Um, so it, Bo also won Weather Person of the Day yesterday. But like I said, I'm gonna go in there and do the draw in just a few minutes for Weather Person of the Day. So join our Discord. Maybe you can win it. All you gotta do is click the reaction, and that's how you get it.
So if everybody in here, even if you're lurking, I want to know everybody that's in here if they're on my Discord.
All right. One thing about Discord, I'm going to let everybody know. When you join our Discord, you have to type exclamation point, all caps, agree. That's AGREE. So that way it verifies you, and then we'll change you to a weather lover. So if you join our Discord, be sure type agree. It brings you into the server, and we'll immediately make you a weather lover and welcome you into the server in general chat. Like I said, I hope everybody's doing good today, staying weather aware. Hopefully, James didn't meet me again. Um, so we'll watch these storms. I got a Dr. Pepper. I do have some ice cream in the freezer, so I'll be good. I won't worry about a frosty today. This is more important, taking care of our weather lovers and people out there, make sure they're safe. Sorry, Miss Wildness. I was looking at radar.
Does the link not work?
What? The link for Discord?
Yeah.
Hold on, I'll pull one up and post in chat. I'll get one real quick
No, it
and
works.
post in chat.
It works.
It works? Oh, okay. All right. All right. I'm gonna do weather person of the day right now as
Wait,
we
wait, wait,
speak.
wait, wait. Okay, do it for 10 minutes.
I'm gonna do it for 10 minutes. So if you're on our Discord, join over there, and we'll be doing the weather person of the day right now. I'm gonna start the giveaway for 10 minutes.
By the way, there's Animal Person of the Week. And so competition is wild in there. So every Sunday, we pick a person that uploads the nicest picture of any kind of pet or of any sort. And I'm going to say it now. If you won it and you win it again, you're able to win it twice in a row. You're able to keep continuing to win it, so don't quit uploading animal pictures. We want to see your animal pictures. Hopefully, by the time somebody sees you won it twice in a row, hopefully they're like, "Oh, I want to win it," and try. But I think that's what we're gonna do with the animal picture of the day or the animal picture of the week.
All right. I'm going to start this weather person of the day. You need to go into the channel on our Discord called giveaway channel and just react to it in there. Like I said, I'm hitting the button now, and you got 10 minutes to go for it. Right now, I got six people that are reacting to the emoji to get in there. Just react to that one emoji.
Miss Wildest,
Let's
go
do this.
react. T Flip, go react. Swag Boy, go react. G Fleming, go react. Ashley, go react. Chef, go react. Everybody that's in here. We should hit 25 reactions. Ashley, why? What's wrong?
I've got 10 reactions right now. Let's get it going. And I still got about 9 minutes, it says. 8 or 9 minutes.
Everybody in here, go react to that giveaway. Get it to 15. And make sure you tune in next month. We're gonna have we're gonna have another giveaway, a big giveaway.
Oh yeah, we've already the Discord helps already got it set up. We're gonna keep it quiet until next month, but it's gonna be a good giveaway. Everybody will like this one. Well, I got 12 reactions now. Let's make this 15. We got 14 people who's reacting, and I got like 5 minutes. There's 15. Got 5 minutes on this to do it. I want to welcome the new people that's joined, Jane and Alec, and then whoever is at 92350. I want to welcome y'all to the new Discord.
Yeah, thank you guys for joining.
Go in there into the giveaway channel on the left side, and you'll be able to go in there and react if you haven't. Just press the party emoji. Hey James,
Hmm.
look on GR3. Look on GR3 around Devil's Lake. Never mind, it changed. There's several TVS markers on that storm. I mean MCS markers. But now Carrington's got several meso discussions on it all around that storm. 1 minute left.
Anybody else? It's 15. Can we get it to 20?
Come on, 5 more people. You got 50 seconds.
Congratulations, Chef. Chef is the winner. Louis? Good job, Chef. How far is this? Bill, are you going to put that in there?
Yeah, I just put it in there to on the there. I'll put it on this live stream right now.
About 93 miles from where this camera is. Okay, we
Thunderstorm west of Carrington. It's got a TBS marker of 6. If you live west of Carrington, there's a TVS low level velocity, delta velocity of 56 knots, maximum delta velocity 56 knots, and the base height is 4.2 thousand feet, and the depth is less than 10,000 feet at this time. It's outside the severe thunderstorm warning area, but it is near there. At this moment, there is no tornado warnings. No tornado warnings. Just some severe thunderstorm warnings.
Bill, are you still in here?
Yeah, I am. I'm watching the storms. I'm trying to help somebody navigate this.
Well, will you take over for a few minutes?
Yeah, I will.
Oh,
Yeah, to stay in that area right there, and I'll take over.
okay.
Hey, Jane, if you're in here in the chat, since you're new to Discord, um, press I just kind of pinged you in the room. Go down to general and start chatting in there. See if you got that. Okay, I'm gonna look at some of these severe thunderstorms we got going on right now. Okay, I'm gonna look at these storms in North Dakota and see what's going on with them, and see if we got anything other areas. Give me an update. Let me know if there's an area you want me to check, and I'll check. All right, James is looking at this North Dakota area, and I gotta move my WSB3 has locked up, so I'm gonna have to restart it again. All right, if you're in the Bismarck area right now, um, the severe thunderstorm is going into Bismarck, North Dakota. There is a TVS of 9 on it. Um, I got plug my phone up real quick, get it ready to charge. Um, and I'll give you an update on that right now on its track. All right, so Bismarck's got two severe thunderstorm warnings at this time, both producing each and a half hail at 60 mile with winds that excess 60 miles an hour. Excuse me, the wind or rear thunderstorm has got a tornado vortex signature. Low level delta velocity is 91 knots. Maximum delta velocity is 115 knots. And the base height is 1.2 thousand feet, and the depth is less than 5,000 feet. I'm gonna pull this up on GR2 and look at it, see what's going on, see if I can see any type of rotation. If there is rotation, but I'm gonna let you know right now, if you are in this area, you need to kind of take cover. This is a serious storm. Um, these storms have several meso detections on them, but this one has that TVS of 9. So I'm gonna pull up on GR2 and look at the rear road, see if I can see any type of rotation going on. See, there's National Weather Service employee did report 1-inch hail just south of Bismarck. Um, Looking at the storm right now, the rotation is very wide and broad. It's not well defined at this moment. More likely, if anything, it's a rotating wall cloud. There may be some scuds dropping down, but right now it's just a large area of rotation, nothing touching the ground right now. This severe thunderstorm was issued at 5:22 Central Standard Time. Um, Severe thunderstorm remains in effect until 5:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. Um, the severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles northeast of Flasher, 22 miles south of Mandan, moving northeast at 10 miles per hour. When gusts are 60 mile an hour and half dollar size hail. Um, so just be advised, this severe storm should be around St. Anthony around 5:45. I really appreciate everybody watching the stream today. Like I said, if you like it, um, subscribe, hit that notification bell. The TVS marker on WSV3 hasn't really um, changed in the last couple scans. It's still a 9 on the TVS. And I do see some minor rotation in there. Like I said, it's just a broad area at this time. WSB3 froze up on the storm on me. All right, the TVS has gone away on this rear storm. It's no longer there, but that does not mean it cannot still be rotating. Um, so just keep your eyes open. If you're near Bismarck, north of Flasher, um, just keep your eyes open. There's now flash flood warning has been issued for the southwestern Burleigh County in north central North Dakota until 8:30 Central Standard Time. Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 1 inch of rain has already fallen. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. This areas that was experienced this flooding is Bismarck, Lincoln, Mottlewell, McDowell Dam Recreation Area, and University of Mary. Additional rainfall of 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most deaths occur in vehicles. There are several method detections on this storm uh, near New Rockford, um, North Dakota at this time, but nothing really noted in the base velocity as a rotating signature. All right, everybody still there with me? Still hear me? Like I said, I'm checking these storms, trying to make sure, keeping y'all aware. If you're in Carrington right now, you'll probably get some straight line winds. Um, Definitely straight line winds. Some heavy rain, frequent cloud to ground lightning. Um, because it's making like a bow at this moment. It's trying to create a bow echo in that area from Steel near Devil's Lake. Like James said earlier, it's a linear line going through there. Um, Update on the storm in Bismarck. We got two areas of rotation starting. Um, One at the very bottom is a tornado vortex signature of 6. Low velocity is 60,000 knots, 60 knots. Maximum velocity 60 knots. Base height is 2.5 thousand feet, and the depth is less than 6,000 feet. But off to the side of the storm, there's a measured detection strength of 5. Low rotation is 13 knots. Base height is 2,000 feet. The depth is 28,000 feet. I will pull that up on GR2 and see what I've got going on. Yeah, I'm using the push to talk on my phone, so I'm just trying to cut down my background noise here at the house. GR3 is even showing the TBS signature now. The top of it is at 8,600 feet. The base 2,500. The depth 6,100 feet. Yes, Chief, I see that at New Rockford. There's a meso discussion there. Low rotation velocity is at 46 knots. Low delta velocity is at 36 knots. Base is less than 10,000 feet. Depth is greater than 17,000 feet. Storm relative velocity is got at 74%. Maximum relative velocity is 46 knots. Height is 10,000 feet. There's also one at Devil's Lake at this time. It's not as great as the one in around New Rockford. They dropped those severe thunderstorm warnings at this time for Bismarck, Steel, Carrington, and Devil's Lake. There's no severe thunderstorm warning in that area at this time. but there's still a TVS marker on the Bismarck on the storm below Bismarck. So we will keep a watch on that near Flasher. It looks like it's trying to make a small hook down that area. If you live in Solon, Cannonball, um, Hazleton, be ready. This storm's tracking. Should be in your area pretty soon. Wing, um, Bedford, McVille, Lakota. So definitely be in those areas watching. We see a lot of measure detections on these storms, basically because of how high the winds are. Um, so right now, I don't see one TVS signature on all of these, but I see a bunch of measure detections. I'm looking down here in Wyoming also, in Warren, Wyoming. There's a two severe thunderstorm warnings for that area. Both got 60-mile-per-hour winds, 1/8 hail. Well, they just went away too. So those severe thunderstorm warnings went away. I'm gonna check the area for other severe thunderstorm warnings. Right now, I do not see any severe thunderstorm warnings. I don't think. I'm gonna pull up see what we got. They just issued a new one for Bismarck area, I think. Yes, National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning um, for northeastern Sioux County in south central North Dakota, southeastern Burleigh County in north central North Dakota, south central North Dakota, southeastern Morton County in south central North Dakota, east central Grant County in south central North Dakota, in northwestern Emmons County in south central North Dakota until 6:45. 6:40, 5:44 Central Daylight, or 4:44 Mountain Time. A severe thunderstorm was located along a line extending from near Minokin to 5 miles south of Flasher, moving at 10 mile an hour. 60 mile an hour wind gust with hail size to half dollar is radar indicated. Um, this should be near Minokin around 4:40 Mountain Time and Sterling around 6:35 Mountain Time. Other areas impacted by these severe storms include Driscoll, Raleigh, McKenzie, Fort Rice, Bryn, Moffett, Hazleton, Recreation Area, and University of Mary and Huff. I'm sitting here trying to watch all these, keep up with them. All right, you thunderstorm warning also for Foster County, southeastern North Dakota, northeastern Stutsman County in southeastern North Dakota until 5:45 Mountain Standard Time at 4:46 Mountain Standard Time severe thunderstorm was located along a line extending from 13 miles southeast of Fort Trotton to 5 miles southwest of Kinsel, moving at 30 miles per hour. Penny-sized hail and 60-mile wind gusts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorm will be near Kinsel around 4:55 Central Mountain Standard Time, in Courtney around 5:10 Mountain. This is Mountain Standard Time. 4:55 Mountain Standard Time for Kinsel, and Courtney around 5:10 Mountain Standard Time. Other indications being impacted include Juanita and Edmonds. I don't know why my WSV3 is not updating it right now, but um, my GR2 and GR3 are showing these thunderstorm warnings. All right. Here's another severe thunderstorm warning for North Dakota. Northwestern Nelson County in northeastern North Dakota, central Ramsey County in northeastern North Dakota, and southwestern Walsh County, northeast North Dakota until 5:30 Pacific Standard Time at 4:41 Mountain Standard Time. Um, at 4:41 Mountain Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Webster or 9 miles north of Devil's Lake, moving at 35 miles per hour. 60 mile per hour wind gust and quarter-size hail. Um, Locations impacted include Devil's Lake, Brockett, Webster, Lawton, Southam, and Garsky. So this is becoming hopefully this will remain a wind and hail event. Nothing too big. Hopefully we're not going to have too many tornadoes. Something we don't want in this area is tornado warnings. Um, but with a threat today, it could still be producing tornadoes because earlier we looked, the Cape was very high in this area. The Cape is where these storms get their energy and how high they can go. So we just got to stay weather aware in the North Dakota area because this is where the enhanced risk was.
Okay, I'm back. Thank you, T Flip, for the donation. Are you in Discord now, T Flip? What's your Discord name? Thank you so much. What's your Discord name? So this is what we're gonna do. You're on my Discord. A big giveaway.
Let's make this 15.
Huh? Can you guys hear me? Hello? Bill. Bill,
Yeah, I can hear you, James.
oh,
I can
okay.
hear you, James.
Alright.
I got mine on push to talk.
T Flip, what's your Discord?
Thank you, JCN.
I didn't get anything from him. Oh, now I did. Thank you, JC. So, I just want to do until I get OBS all figured out. The donator leader will get a special role in the Discord. Oh, excuse me. So, does anybody know what T Flip's Discord name is? Bill?
No, I don't know what his Discord is.
I
I'll
think
look in there see
I
if I.
think I think T Flip is a female.
Okay, I'll look. Um,
Hey, will you turn down your TV?
I'm at to leave because my roommate.
Oh. It's, like we can hear it word for word.
I know. I walked outside for a minute.
No, I don't know if she cannot hear us or Weather Bell. And so while we're waiting for a few minutes, I'm gonna do something. Something
Yes, I.
happened. Something happened. I had to go deal with it. I'm sorry. I'm back now.
Yeah. Weatherbell just joined and I accepted them.
Okay, you just got a special rule. Well,
Yeah, everybody. I take breaks away from the computer for a while. Um, so I'm having to walk around for a little bit. I'll be back in a minute to check the radars.
So we have a couple storms still in North Dakota. There's a line of storms. They're pushing its way east. Some are still moving it northeast. Um, let's see if the HRRR model has changed. If you go to Discord, you'll see that your T flip, you'll see that T flip, um, you got a new role. This a person if somebody beats your donation, they get that role. So the highest donation of the stream today is $15. So if you donate $16, you get that role. And after the stream today, I'm gonna be telling you what is involved with this role. And no other people get this. No other person on my server gets this.
Wow.
So you get some benefits.
Probably benefits his Discord doesn't get.
Yes.
His Discord doesn't have.
Yes.
Very cool.
Even my staff members don't even get this.
So it's a special benefit,
Yeah.
which he's encouraging his staff to beat him now. Uh huh.
Yeah, staff can get in. Anybody could do it.
Just let everybody know, staff does not is not going to be the weather person of the day. We have chose to let that be just for our weather loaders. We want you guys to get some benefits with that. So we don't even go for it. That's for you guys. That's like our little treat. Let y'all win that and enjoy being the weather person of the day.
T flip, T flip. We know. I don't know if T flip can hear us. T flip, can you hear us? Kyle, you got to go in there and okay. So after the stream, um, whoever wins, this will be a every stream. Whoever wins this gets this, and this is personally from me. Nobody else. I actually came up with major ideas, and it's gonna be awesome. While we're waiting for the storms to, I'm trying to really figure out. I'm trying to look at the models to see if I should leave or
Hey James,
hey what.
um, on that weather um, that scroll you just made,
Mm-hmm.
um, did you make it where it shows up on the side of
Yep.
Discord? Okay, they, T-Foot must not be logged in because it's not showing right now.
Yeah, she's appearing offline. If you send no, if you send $30 right now. Oh, your spot. Oh, that's from a couple days ago. No, it's right now. Yes, I can see the flip. Sneaky, if you send it right now, you and you don't get beat, um, then you will get the roll, and you will get what I'm giving away. There's several things, and nobody has it on my Discord. Actually, nobody has it on anybody's Discord.
This is a exclusive James the Weatherman Discord benefit.
It is indeed.
We're trying to make this Discord user friendly. We like to have fun and make everybody happy. If you got any ideas on this Discord, just DM me, Discord, DM someone on the Discord help, give us your suggestion, and we'll put it in there.
Fargo is now in a severe thunderstorm watch. So if you're in Fargo, you're now in a severe thunderstorm watch. Chef, it is $15 that's right now. So if you donate 16, you got it. Hey Nitrous, or I think that's how you say it.
I'm looking at HRRR also in M3K, see what we got going on
You see there's
to help you out.
TVS's on this?
I just got back to my laptop.
TVS of a 9 and a 6. And why is there a TVS? It's because they're strong. Yeah. I can do this really quick. No, I can't because I don't have my Epic Pen. The strong rotation from here to here. From here to here. You see the TVS in the middle? Don't you change on me. From here to here. But most of this is probably straight line winds. So I'm talking, let's say 60 mile per hour. I'm probably thinking a little bit higher than that. Let me. What was I gonna do?
Check the gate-to-gate shear. There.
Let's see. Okay. So off of I'm gonna switch you over to a cam. Really far out in the distance due to it being really cloudy, you can't really see it. But there's rain shafts, a couple on the right, and then if you see where that crane is, that white semi just passing by, there's a couple rain shafts, possibly hail shafts over there. How fast is this moving?
We'll say like 30, 35 mile an hour, possibly.
Well, 28 miles, this motion, moving 28 miles per hour. And this area has a chance of severe thunderstorms tomorrow as well. Holy! Are you looking at WSV3 right now?
Yeah. Well, what's up?
TVS of a 8, TVS of a 9, TVS of a 6, TVS of a 7.
Yeah. I see that.
That's booking it. That's moving. They're gonna have to extend that severe thunderstorm warning.
Yeah, they need to extend it. Everybody, those are some heavy, fast moving winds on that storm. Um, so please stay weather aware.
There's a mezzo to the north of it. I'm watching it. I might actually.
How far is that from you, James?
About 50 miles.
Oh, okay.
Well, we got a new one. Um, was that chef that just donated? What's your um Discord name, chef? Do you guys know chef's Discord name?
Same as his YouTube name.
Oh, Chef Stig. Oh yeah, he won
Yep.
person of the day.
Hey, yes.
Well, you just got added to stream donate leader. Weather Belly, you've been beat. Now the total is $17 that you have to beat. Let's see. It was just issued a special weather statement. JCN, you have to donate. If you can donate the liter is $17. I don't even know if we'll be able to see it on cam. It's raining hardcore there. Am I talking to myself?
No, you're not talking to yourself.
Oh,
I hear
okay.
you.
Yeah. Yeah. Um, I don't have a donator of the week leader. I can get a donator of all time, but JCN, you'll be a little behind. I can make donator of all time, but there's a few people that have donated a lot of money that they could be beat. They could be beat. Definitely. I just think if they beat, it's a very good competition. If they beat if you guys beat his amount, I have a feeling he's a competitive guy, and I have a feeling he'll beat your mount. Just throwing that out there. I think he'll want to shoot. Then I'll have to figure out something else. I want to see if they then if they tornado warning, if they put a tornado warning on this. Um, I'm leaving.
And everyone, if James does leave, if you come to our Discord, I will get in general chat and still talk about the storms and give you a update on these storms. And I'm
Thank you,
pretty sure
JC. Anyways,
uh, Bob will come in here, maybe high sneaky,
I'm gonna I'm
and
gonna leave the stream up. I'm gonna Yeah. No, Bill's not going to bed. If they put a tornado warning on that cell right there, Bill is staying up the rest of the night.
Yes, Jacob, it's Bill. How you doing, man?
Is that? I don't think that's Jacob. Jacob. Like, weather now.
Nah, I don't think so. Maybe.
Yeah. It actually. I don't think it's gonna go tornado warned. It's a buckaroo, that's for sure. Show me the next run. Oh, holy 6, 10, 9, 9, 9, 2.
Yeah, I hear Snowflake. Um, my WSV3 is different than yours at the moment for some
4,
reason.
8, 6, 10, 9, 9, 9, 2.
Mine's not showing all those now.
Are you in Mayville's?
That might be why. Let me move to Mayville. I was on KBIS.
Somebody knocked on the
That made a
door.
difference. Yeah, if you're around Devil's Lake, you get pretty good set of wind at this moment. I can say that much. Um, I just swapped to the Mayville KMBX radar. Um, it is a lot of TVSs. Like James saying 4, 8, 6, 10, 9, 9, 9, 2. So this storm's putting up some heavy winds.
My dog is just hearing things.
Yeah, I'm shocked this is not under some type of warning at this moment. That's weird.
101 knots. That's gonna get warned. We'll see the next run. Show me the next run. Do you see all the TVSs on yours now?
Yeah, I was at the other radar site,
Yeah.
KBIS. Yeah, I see all of them now. Good Lord. This is some high winds. Um, if you're in McVille, I will be taking cover on this storm because it's coming towards you. If it's not, you don't already feel it, you'll be feeling it in the next few minutes. Especially all these TVSs on it. I'm looking at storm relative velocity, see what it says. Yeah. See what the gate shear is too.
Dude, I think I'm gonna go. Hello? You guys there?
Yeah, I'm here, man. Um,
5 Pacific Daylight Time?
wouldn't that be past the storm though?
No, I'll be out of my area.
Yeah, if more likely be in the Canada area, won't it?
No, it'll be down into
But
Minnesota, but it won't even be strong anymore.
yeah, yeah, that's what I was right. Yeah, look at HRR and the damn 3K.
I might be going out there because it's tornado possible.
Are you gonna leave your live stream up?
David, you mean the camera that I've been using? By the way, David, you got to get permission to use this video. Just saying. That is the Grand Forks one. This is in Grand Forks. This is UND's camera. You have to call UND to be able to use this camera on this stream. UND's closed. It's 6:32. But look up UND phone number. Okay. Well, you're not going live then. So tomorrow I would call UND Department of Atmospheric Science and ask to use their camera. I'm not going chasing either. But David, you're more than welcome to come on my stream. More than welcome.
Hey James, do we still have all those TBSs on those that storm going towards in McPhail right now?
Yeah, they're headed right towards where I'm at.
Um,
The
point
city
your
I'm
cam
in. Sorry.
point the point the camera out the window. If you had a camera like a webcam, you can point it out your window and catch it really good from your storm chase from your house.
Actually, if you're in my chat and you want me to chase, let me know. Be right back.
Hey everybody, can y'all hear me? Okay, how's the background noise right now?
You guys, I'm
I had
going
to
to
shut
storm
the.
chase.
Okay, you gonna leave your stream up?
Yeah, I yeah, I'm gonna leave my stream out. Let's see. So No, I'm gonna leave this. Yeah, I'm gonna. Should I leave this live or should I go live when I'm on the road?
James, I'm gonna go live on the road. That way you get people will actually see you out there chasing this storm. If you got the data and everything to do it with. And I could be looking at radar also and keeping up with you if you need me to.
Wait, Jacob, you just yelled laugh out loud bye. Who are you talking to?
Talking to you, I think.
Yeah, and no restreaming my stream. Um, if you do happen to restream my Storm Chase stream, we will have talks. Okay. I'm okay. I
All right,
will
James, you go.
talk to you guys in a little bit. Okay? You there?
Yeah, I'm here. I'm typing something in the chat right now. So give me about 30 seconds.
Okay, I will guys I'll see you guys on the flip side. I'll talk to you later. I will be live streaming on my phone. Thank you guys for tuning in. We will be going live on my phone probably in the in the next hour, 45 minutes. Okay, bye.